Hey guys, welcome to 3 Minute Design. Today I want to talk about the way we get people to our product, we get first customers. You see, there is this idea that in order to run a successful product, you only need 1,000 people. And that's not a lot because 1,000 people, when you compare it to services like Airbnb, Uber, or stuff like that, it's really not a lot. So you can focus on some specific niche, on some specific group, and try to work with them and grow with them. And then you can learn, you can improve your product, and then you can scale it up. But how do you get that first 1,000 customers, right? Because that's like the hardest thing to do. So I received newsletter today. That was quite interesting, and they analyzed startups like Etsy, Lyft, Tinder, Uber, Netflix, Quora, and so on, and they grouped them together by the ways they gathered first 1,000 customers, and this is what they came up with. It seems like there are just 7 of these types. I'm gonna read them to you, and here's gonna be a picture, I believe. So go to your users offline, go to your users online, invite your friends, create FOMO, leverage influencer, get press, and build a community. And while of course you can connect those, and you can be in many of these fields as you want, and as many as you want, but the thing is, usually companies focus on just one, maybe two, but 3 is a lot. So just so you know that sometimes it can be just easy, like for example with Tinder, the guy was just walking around and talking with people like, hey, you want to use Tinder? And I also read about the Snapchat founder just approaching people on the street and asking like, hey, do you want to send a picture that disappears? And people are like, no. So sometimes it's gonna be tough, but once you get that first 1,000 customers, then you don't really need more at the beginning. That's all that you need. And also there is a second issue, that if you want to get to 10,000, you can't do things that you did in order to get to 1,000, right? So the game changes after you reach that ballpark. So hope that's helpful for you guys. Again, this is 3 Minute Design. I'm gonna record some product design related topics for you guys to help you out, and see ya in next video. Cheers.